22.75 lakh students, one re-exam, and a day that was much about politics as it was about physics. The NEET UG retest wrapped up on 21st June, but between a burqa row, a students' exam center landing in Abu Dhabi, and a protest raging at Jantar Mantar. This was an exam students sat for in the middle of a political crossfire. First, the exam. Students walked out calling physics the section lengthy, formula heavy, harder than the May 3rd paper. Biology, by contrast, was widely called easy and NCERT based. Chemistry sat somewhere in the middle. The verdict from city after city, Delhi, Chennai, Chandigarh, Mumbai, Hyderabad, was largely the same. This was a harder paper than the one that got cancelled.
तो बायो तो थोड़ा इजी लगा, पर लेकिन फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री में तो फिजिक्स मेरे लिए थोड़ी हार्ड है, तो केमिस्ट्री मॉडरेट सी लगी मेरे को।
जो फिजिक्स था वो काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट था और जो केमिस्ट्री मॉडरेट था, मॉडरेट टू इजी, और बायोलॉजी बहुत इजी था। थोड़ा पहले जितना अच्छा नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी
क्या वही मोटिवेशन लेवल आज की?
नहीं, वो जैसी नहीं नीट की बात आई तो पढ़ने का इतना मूड नहीं था। जैसा वो पेस था वो पेस नहीं रहा वापस।
तो हमारा ऑलरेडी एक 3 मई को नीट हुआ था, वो लीक हो गया, उसकी वजह से हमें काफ़ी परेशानियाँ उठानी पड़ी, हम काफ़ी डिमोटिवेट हो चुके थे। उस डिमोटिवेशन में जो हमें 1 मंथ मिला था, हम उसमें अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन भी नहीं कर पाए अपनी, और इस बार हमें उम्मीद है कि जो NTA है उसने अच्छे cautions लिए होंगे कि पेपर लीक ना हो।
But the day's headlines weren't only about the paper. In Ajmer, 18-year-old Kulsum Banu alleged she was stopped at the gate for wearing a burqa and that her request for a female staff member to conduct the check was refused. Police later said the confusion was cleared up, but not before the visuals went viral.
हम मतलब शर्म आनी चाहिए इन लोगों को कि ऐसे 18 साल के बच्चों के साथ ही खेल रहे हैं, और उनके फ्यूचर के साथ खेल रहे हैं, और फिर ये कहते हैं कि आपको अलाउ नहीं किया जाएगा। इसमें रूल नंबर 8 हमें दिया है कि भाई आप रिलीजियस अटायर के साथ आ सकते हो, फिर ये हमें अलाउ नहीं कर रहे। हम क्यों नहीं, अगर NTA ने कहा है तो हमको अलाउ करना पड़ेगा इनको।
In Nagpur, a class 12 student's family was stunned to find his exam center listed in Abu Dhabi. The NTA called it a technical glitch, fixed it in 48 hours before the test, but not before opposition leaders pounced. On the mix-up, the agency didn't apologize. It boasted. Its statement said over 99.5% of candidates got their preferred city, called its handling of this mishap proof of a student-first approach, and credited itself for ensuring no candidate misses the exam. For an agency that triggered the crisis in the first place, first with the May 3rd leak, then with a student center landing in another country, critics say this can hardly be called reassurance.
लोग ने बहुत मुश्किल से उसको कन्विंस कर पाए, वो बिल्कुल तैयार नहीं हो रहा था। उसको रात भर से उल्टियाँ हो रही थी, नर्वसनेस बहुत ज़्यादा थी इसमें। सुबह भी वो 10 बजे के आसपास उठा, कोई रिवीजन वगैरह उसने किया नहीं, और फिर नहा धो के रेडी हो के वो आ गया। नाश्ता भी नहीं किया उसने, उसको एंडम वगैरह टैबलेट मेडिसिन दिया मैंने।
Meanwhile, at Jantar Mantar, the Cockroach Janata Party's protest entered its second day. Founder Abhijit Dipki and supporters held an overnight sit-in, demanding Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, even as police cut access to food and water at the site. Dipki called on NEET aspirants to join the protest directly after writing the test.
आप जाइए, एग्जाम दे दीजिए, आप टेंशन मत लीजिए। आपके भाई, आपके बहन, यहाँ पर जो बड़े भाई बहन है, वो आपके हक की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं, and we won't stop until we get justice for you.
Even the Prime Minister's schedule bent around this exam. Modi landed at Delhi airport at 1:15 p.m. on 21st June and instead of leaving immediately waited 45 minutes so his convoy would not disrupt traffic for students heading to centers ahead of 2 p.m. exam. The government has projected it as a gesture of sensitivity towards students, though critics ask why such gestures are needed at all for a crisis the system itself created. The political temperature is set to rise further on Monday with Rahul Gandhi's rally in Kota city that became ground zero for students' distress. The Congress has been building a youth and education plank around exactly this anger. A tougher paper, a burqa row, a continent-hopping admit card, a sit-in protest and rallies lined up. For India's medical aspirants, the exam may be over, but the controversy around it is far from settled. Caught in the middle, as always, the students.